Singapore's The Red Alert phone app was designed to alert Israeli residents when enemy missiles were headed towards them, but last Sunday, it suddenly started sending notifications that sounded like threats. One said, "Death to Israel." Next to it was the image of a swastika, an ancient religious symbol modified and adopted by Adolf Hitler and the German Nazi Party in the early 1900s. According to Falcon Feeds, there are at least 100 different hacker groups so far, of which 20 lean towards Israel, while 77 are supporting Palestine. 3 groups appear to be neutral and are hacking both sides. Those aligning with Palestine appear to be linked to countries like Iran and Russia, 2 key players linked to cyber attacks targeting Israel. Meanwhile, a handful of groups are believed to be hackers based in Malaysia and Indonesia.